Okay, here's our question. There are 8 dinner rolls in a package. How many packages will be needed to feed 64 people if each person has 2 dinner rolls? Let's read that again. There are 8 dinner rolls in a package. How many packages will be needed to feed 64 people if each person has 2 dinner rolls? So I know there are 8 rolls in a package. I know that we need to feed 64 people and that each person gets 2 rolls. This is making me hungry for rolls. Okay, anyway, we have 8 rolls in a package. We have 64 people. Each person gets 2 rolls. Now there are 64 people, but they're getting 2 rolls each. So how many rolls do we need? We need 64. Let's begin by estimating. Let's round this to the tens place. So that would be rounded down to 60, right? So our estimate would be 60 plus 60, which equals 120. And then if we round the 8 rolls up to 10 rolls, we would divide this by 10 because 8 rounds up to 10. That would give us approximately 12 packages that we need, right? All right, so let's see. What is 64 times 2? Or 64 plus 64? $60 times 2, that's 120, we know that. And 2 times 8 is 8. So our total number of rolls that we need to feed all these people is 128 rolls. No, just put an R. Boop. My marker's acting up. Okay, so now we need to divide the 128 rolls in by the 8 to see how many packages we need to buy. All right, so here's the question mark. How many packages are we going to need? So we're going to do 128 divided by 8. I need to get a different marker. All right, so we're going to use the big 7. We're going to do multiples of 1, multiples of 10, and multiples of 100. Okay, so we have 8, we have 16, 24, 32, 40. Now we're going to have 80, 160, 240, 320, and 400. And then next over here we're going to have 800. That's really all we need for that one. It's too big. Okay. So where can we start? Let's start with this 80. Okay, I know that 8 times 10 is 80. subtract it from the 128. We're left with 48. Okay, what else can I use? I can use this 40 right here. All right. So eight times 5 is 40. That leaves me, just leaves me 1/8. So I'm going to use this. I know that 1 times 8 is 8. And look, we're all the way down to 0. So we're going to add 10 plus 5 plus 1. That gives us 16. So we need to buy 16 packages of rolls. 16 packages of rolls will be needed to feed everyone, or those 64 people. I put it in word form because it's at the beginning of the sentence. All right, great job, everyone.